Wednesday, so that means bike ride day. And I got this like little stand thing for my bike, for my phone, I mean. And like, let's see. I'm kind of nervous because like I hope it doesn't vibrate. There doesn't seem to be much by way of like stopping it from vibrating too much while I ride, but we'll give it a test. If not, I have also like this big gimbal thing, but it's like really big. So I don't know how steady it would be on my bike, but I don't know. We're gonna try this week. We'll try the gimbal thing next week, see which one's better, I guess, if this doesn't seem to be doing that great. If there's a tiny bit of vibration, I don't really care, but if it's like noticeable or clanking or something, then we'll figure out some stuff. I don't know. We'll do some engineering, some MacGyvering. Okay, so I gave it a try, and this thing, there's a lot of vibration, so I mean, I guess I'll have to use it for this ride. There's gonna be some like usable footage, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not gonna be all bad, but we'll see. Damn it, I was hoping the $6 or $7 fix would work, but I guess I'm being too cheap. So we'll try something else next week. Wait, what's next week? Yeah, I think I'm riding next week. And then, oh wait, no, I'm not riding next week because I have a function to go to. I haven't been filming at all like this week, and I kind of have, but then I like gave up, and there's things that I didn't feel comfortable filming because of the people that were there. I'm like, I don't think they'll be wanting to be on camera because it's like a private club. So I was like, let me just not post that. But hopefully I'll be able to do some more public things very soon that I can share. I think maybe tomorrow I have an opportunity, but I might just be tired and want to like stay home and chill and get ready for the upcoming holidays because I have like a bunch of other brouhahas to attend, which is fine, but I just have to like put together outfits and stuff. And I'm also still trying to figure out what I'm doing for New Year's. I don't know. Obviously Las Vegas has literally everything to do, and New Year's is a big deal and awesome, but I just don't know what me and my crew are particularly doing. We're in the group chats trying to decide, but I don't know. I might pull a wild card and stay home. I have not decided yet. Okay, something else. My phone's battery is like dying at an alarming rate. It was fully charged at 100 before I left, and now it's at 80, and it's been like 15 minutes. Does recording video really take that much battery? Because I feel like it's really draining quickly, crazily. I'm gonna have to find a fix for a lot of things. Maybe I'll just keep to like my occasional recording just to get little pieces here and there. Time for biking fuel.
What time is it?
This kind of reminds me of like the school lunch pizzas that were in that like cardboard box thing.
And shit that don't go with it, like corn and...
Okay, so my pals went to Idaho and brought me, I said to bring me back a potato, and they did, in the form of a sticker. So I'm trying to like figure out. It fits exactly right here.
Actually, I did last night.
Like exactly. So I have to be like really careful putting it on. Let's see. Just hanging out with my homie Santa Claus. Have you been naughty or nice? I don't know. How have you been? He's gonna check twice, so watch out. Feels so good out here. Hey, where are we at? We're in fabulous Las Vegas. Just so you know, we're almost at the end. These lights mean Main Street. The real, about to pack her car. We went very far.
And we went like this.
And everyone else is going. That was a good one. That was good. I felt good about it. Bye, bud.
All right, guys.
The reals back together again.